Let me show you how to access that statewide data. If you go to the website for Extension Evaluation and Staff Development, click on the link for Federal Report and Plan of Work, and notice the link that says 2006 Super Activity Reports by Topic. When you click the link, a PDF file will open, and this file includes activity reports for each topic in Super. An activity report is made up of the number of direct, indirect, and non-contact hours by Extension personnel, the number of direct methods by Extension personnel, and also the contacts reached through those methods, the number of indirect methods for Extension personnel, and also the contacts reached through those methods. Also, the contacts made by Extension personnel are broken down by gender, race, and ethnicity. Volunteer hours, the number of volunteers who served in the program, as well as the indirect methods and contacts by volunteers are shown in each activity report. One of the more important features of the activity report are the outcomes, and the statewide counts are shown for each outcome. Let me show you how you would prepare an impact statement using the Super activity reports for 2006. First, you'll prepare your impact statement in Word or WordPerfect, just as you have done in past years. You'll notice that the format includes the USDA CSREES goal, a title, an issue statement, what has been done, impact, funding, and contact. Under what has been done, I begin by summarizing the data from the activity report. If we go back to the activity report and we find the activity report for forages, I can quickly see the number of group meetings conducted by Extension personnel, the number of farm visits, and the contacts reached through all of those direct methods. In addition, I can see the contacts reached through indirect methods and the number of indirect methods employed by Extension personnel. So I summarize that in the impact statement, and I chose to summarize it by saying UT Extension conducted forage education programs reaching over 13,000 direct educational contacts. Forage and soil testing for production and profitability were emphasized. Contacts were made with landowners, producers, and professionals through 105 group meetings, demonstrations, and 893 farm visits. The education provided face-to-face was reinforced with 111 newspaper articles and 113 radio programs. Again, that data is data I've summarized from the Super Activity Report. For the impact section, I can cut and paste the outcomes from the activity report. So for forages, I'll find the outcomes in the activity report. I'll click Select. Copy. Go back to the impact statement. Paste. Next, I will format the outcome indicators. The activity report showed that over 6,500 producers stockpiled fescue. There were over 500 forage samples submitted to UT Forage Testing Laboratory, and over 135,000 acres sprayed for broadleaf weed control. Now that I've finished my impact statement, I simply save it. And now I will upload the statement to Super. I go to Profile, Appraisal. I click Faculty Appraisal. I'll click Add here for document groups. I'll click Browse. I could type the name of the file, or I could browse for the file. I'll give the impact statement a title. I'll click Save, and the impact statement is now added as an attachment to my appraisal document. When I click the impact statement, it opens in Word.